Ke ndakuvuthetha ngesithembu. Ayinditshisi le ndaba. Ungumuntu who always advocate about isithembu. I'm not saying you advocate recruiting other people to be subscribing to indaba yesithembu. Kodwa ungumuntu who's so vocal about indaba yesithembu, uneminqweno yesithembu. Tell me about that journey. Where did it start off you subscribing to that? Ziba zininzi ke nendlela okanye nezizathu zabantu abaye bangena esithenjini. Take me through that. I'm so interested.
Isithembu. It's something engathi ekukhuleni kwami I fell in love with. I visioned it.
Were you experiencing around you? Were you like ekhaya okanye ephelalini?
I've seen it close to me.
Okay.
And falling in love with it made me ngiyibuze siyini sibaleke ngani. I would say when it started as something fun.
Okay.
When that idea came, it was just
Mawunamantombi amabili amathathu ubona ukuthi mangabathatha nje ngibalethe la emagcekeni asekhaya.
It is like, okay, this would be fun.
Because 3 of them, they make you whole.
Yeah,
they make you, they close all the things that you want.
This would be fun. This would be yabo.
Yeah.
But when I grew to understand it, when I grew to find out more about it, then I understood how sacred it is, how much of a blessing it is. Uma bekuphathisa okuthize, uma bekufumbathisa okuthize, kungenxa yokuthi unamandla, unobuhlakani, unokujula kokuyiphatha leyo nto leyo. Uma bekuphathisa okuthize. If those who are within you, that's why not every child does the same or acts the same at home.
That's true. That's very true.
So when they put something, they bless you with something, they give you something, it means that you are capable. That means it's a blessing. You are capable of taking care of it.
Yeah.
You are capable of taking care of its needs. You are capable of nurturing it. So isithembu siyisibusiso. Basuke bekubusisa ngoba unobuhlakani.
Not ngoba unemali. Ngoba kaloku sikholela uba most of women would say, I would subscribe to isithembu because le ndoda ayizungithathela lokho enginika kona and ngingasubscribe ngoba uzobe afford isithembu.
Okusho ukuthi le onayo manje engenayo imali, who's not where he is supposed to be or wishes to be, simply because akanayo imali, he's not worthy enough of having his temple. Can you see you are insulting him?
But kaloku, let us put this to a logic manner. You cannot go take 5 wives.
I'm not saying you should take 5 wives.
You cannot take 5 wives, put them at home, but you know that you can only afford 1.
I'm not saying
we'll starve.
I'm not saying he should take 5 wives. I'm not saying he's capable of taking 5 wives. But I'm saying you're looking at his financial muscle. You are done. That means you don't have a vision guy. You don't see him growing. You don't see him achieving great heights. And simply because he's still sitting there with you, his life stops.
Not in a manner like that. Maybe it means that with you and your STEMBU thing, your polygamy thing, it should wait now until you reach those higher heights and then you can bring them then. Because now I'm not going to share this slice of bread that I'm getting and starve.
Let's not have a financial conversation ukuthi isithembu siyimali. Isithembu siyayidinga imali. Angeke sikufihle lokho.
Isithembu akusiyona imali.
Asakhiwa ngemali.
Kodwa isithembu siyayidinga imali.
Asakhiwa ngemali. That's why ngithi you are imprisoning that guy. Because you don't see him growing. In fact, you don't want him to grow. Because the moment he grows, there'll be someone else. So, impilo yakhe imile because of what's it within you, what's inside your heart.
Who deserves to ukuba nesithembu? Because kukho abantu abanedemon lobufebe nje. And then they hide ngesithembu. Kukho abanedemon lobufebe bathi ngilobolela umfethu ongasekho. Kho nedemon lobufebe athi abangabonwa ibona bafuna isithembu. When, how and who deserves isithembu?
Esikabani isithembu?
Kaloku nina lento nina yokuba nina lento nina yokuba nithi nivusa umzi kababa. I don't understand uvusa kanjani umzi vele omileyo.
Ngoba ubaba akazakhela umuzi wakhe, umuzi kababa wakhe wayimini, owami wakhe wayingane zami, oyingane zami wakhe wayingane zabo.
Uba ni-5 ningabantwana bomtata oyi-1 nonke nizokwakhela utata umzi.
Umuzi kababa.
Hayi suka niyarobhana nina. Le ndaba yena ndi-understand wakha kanjani umuzi kababa kodwa ubaba unomuzi wakhe.
Ngoba ubaba akazakhela umuzi wakhe. It's as simple as that. Yikho kulowo muzi lo kunabanikazi.
So it means that xa uthatha isithembu wena.
Mawufika wena ekhakini. Ekhakini ufika kukhona abantu abadala who in your eyes are the rightful owners of that house.
True.
Ubaxoxela, ubabikela udouble T's. Bathini ku? Bathi asabe siyobikela
abadala.